Colton is one of our InvisiLights dealers, and today he had it installed that Josiah and I came along for. And as you can see, we've still got snow even though it's April. This customer had their system installed in November, but decided to add more lights now that they have the extra cash. Colton rented a boom lift to help with some of the sketchy parts of the roof, and the backside of the home required our log extension ladders. It was easy to add the new sections of lights and channel to the install from November. Once the lights were installed, Colton reprogrammed the system, and now the customer has a full wrap. If you have any questions about InvisiLights, or if you're interested in attending one of our install trainings, visit lightsatwholesale.com.